Every precise hoist is an extreme pursuit of quality. From blueprint to reality, we build industrial aesthetics with craftsmanship. Every process carries the trust and expectation of our clients. Professional team and advanced equipment forge reliable quality. We don't just manufacture products, we create long-term value. Choosing us means choosing peace of mind and win-win results. Advanced production lines forge reliable products. Strict quality control ensures flawless delivery every time. Efficient processes save you time and cost. We don't just make equipment, we create value. Choosing us means choosing industry-leading solutions. Join hands with you to create a new industrial future.